Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to create your first app. Click on Create App in the top right corner of the dashboard to start. We are now in the App Wizard. This will help you to configure your app with just a few clicks. First, let's give our app a name. This name will later appear as it is in the app stores. Of course, you can still adjust this afterwards. After we have confirmed the name, we can choose a template. A template serves as a starting point for your app. You can choose from a number of industries such as beauty or gastronomy. Choose a template that best suits your app. Of course, you can then continue to design and adapt your app later on. Let's start with a blank app. Now we have the option of choosing a pre-made design. By clicking on one of these, you will see your app with the selected design in the preview window on the right. You can of course adjust this later. Great, after we've decided on a design, we're done. With a click on Finish, we have created our first app and can now fill it with life. You can find many more tutorials on our YouTube channel. That's it, have fun and see you next time.